Right. Oh, jeez. Clear my throat before I speak. Alright, here we go. We're doing some more Godot today. I don't have a huge set of plans like I did last time. Last time I had some goals. This time I still have a few, but they're not quite as... they're not as big and stuff. But we'll get a bit done. I think, I can't remember where I left off because I worked on it a bunch off stream a bit as well. Some of the more boring things that I thought would not be as interesting to watch. So here we go. Yeah, so I think I think the biggest thing that I've changed is just the level. Made it a little bit more interesting. So like this room isn't just like empty anymore. There's a bunch of little things. And then I just added a bunch of cows around and a bunch of coins to collect as well. And yeah, I think that's it. I was trying to... I took it out. I was trying to add a second weapon in, but I was having issues with... oh, that's something I'll worry about. There was issues with the scale of the model getting loaded in and stuff that I'll have to fix later, so it's not really working right now. I don't know why it's working for the shotgun just fine, but it wasn't working for the grenade launcher for some reason. It was being very strange. But anyways, don't really need to worry about that right now. So, the plan for today, let's see, what do we have? Ooh, there's still that to do. These things are mostly done. I need to make some menuing and stuff prettier, like the end screen, and I need to make like a startup. Well, obviously we need like a start screen and like a level select screen and stuff, but that's boring stuff. I might do that stuff off stream. Sorry, just gotta set up my other monitor here. Okay, that should be mostly good. There we go. Okay. Everything should be set up for now. So, this could be a fun thing to do. The other thing I needed to do was, I did have a small list in my head, and now I'm trying to remember what it was. What did I need to do? Oh, yes. Coyote time. That's not how you spell coyote at all. Is it C-O? Is that how you spell coyote? I don't think I've ever typed out coyote before. It is C-O-Y-O-T-E. That looks right, it's not really how it sounds, is it? Anyways, we need to make a coyote time, because even just playing the game, it's very clear that that's something I need to add in. And then there was something else that I need to do. I was thinking about this last night, like before I was going to bed, like, what did I need to make? Coyote time was the big one. Then, what else was it? What else did I need to do? It's escaping me. There was some stuff I might still do, because I did have an explosion barrel that I wanted to put in the game somewhere. So what I might do is make like a we'll make a bowl here and put like 4 or 5 cows in there with an explosion barrel, and you just shoot the barrel and they'll all explode. It doesn't. It's just, I think it'll just look cool is all. So that's maybe something I can do. Explosion place. We'll add that into the level. I guess that's kind of it to start with, and then there's like a bunch of sound effects I need to add. That was the thing as well. I don't know how much that'll be, how good that'll be to do on stream, but we can do, I need to add a bunch of sound effects. So things like when we pick up the coin and stuff, I want there to be a noise. Ooh, I also wanted to add coin pickup effect. Like a little explosion of particles when you pick up the coin. Because right now it's pretty boring. You just... Oh, I gotta turn off the... You just like step into it and it's like, oh, that's it. No indication that you've picked it up or anything other than the counter going up. Anyways, that's a good place to start. We'll do the coyote time to start out with. I have an idea of how I want to do the coyote time. I just don't know how well it's going to work or how well it's going to implement into my code. We will see. So I do already have check floor thing here. So what's the cooldown? That's for the guns. So we need a timer node. This is how we're going to do it. Basically, when we once we're into the air, there will be a timer that starts, and as long as that timer is still counting down, you will still be allowed to jump, even if you're not standing on the floor. But once that timer hits 0, then you're still no longer allowed to jump. That way you don't just... you can't just jump whenever you want in the air. Excuse me, I get something in my throat. Maybe I should take a drink here. Okay, now we get to have the wonderful view of looking at all of the horrible code I've written. Well, maybe like half of this is my code, half of it was the default. This project was done in a demo project for a first-person shooter that was demoed, which saved me so much time with like the guns and stuff. It's one of those things where, you know, I've done it once, well, more than once, setting things up like that before. Doing it over and over again at the start of each project isn't super fun, so it's nice to just have that for you all ready to go and not have to worry about that, and you can work on the stuff that is new and more interesting. Okay, so oh wait, I don't need to do this because I learned last time from, I think it was MK Codes that was in chat. Look at that, you can click and drag that in, that's amazing. I'll actually do that just to make it a little easier to read. Okay, so, there should be a thing here. Yes, here we go. Previously landed, blah blah blah. So when we've landed, previously floored. I don't really need this, do I? We can get rid of that. I need to be able to check. Previously floored equals is on floor. So that, let's see here. Bigger than 1. Okay, so this, I'll probably have to just do another. I could integrate it into this, the coyote jump, but that's kind of not really, it might not work out too well, so I might just make another thing here. Is this in the, it is in the physics process. Let's just make another function then. I'll just put it at the top of here, because why not? Handle coyote. That should be fine. I could probably do that up here, just so it's a bit, am I gonna need the delta? I don't think I'll need the delta past. Don't see why I would need it. Okay. Or actually, it's probably gonna be easier to do it inside of the jump. My jump code. If the floor touch is not equal to null. Or, oh yeah, I can just put it in here. We don't need this. That's what I was looking for, that bit of code there. We don't need this. As you can see, I didn't think this through very well. Just the bare minimum of an idea. And then I thought, that'll be easy to fix. But I know almost for sure that implementing this is going to cause problems. Or actually, I guess Godot script has the or, so we'll use that because it's easier to read. Or coyote time dot is plain. Time left? I guess time left is greater than 0. It'll be plain at that point, right? But then I need to worry about, see, this is the problem here. So maybe okay, I know how to do this. I'm just trying to think of what's going to be the easiest kind of code to read and what's going to lead to the least amount of redundancies. Oh my god, something keeps getting caught in my throat. I'm not sure what that is. Anyways, because we want just this. So if we can just do it here, and Katia wait time is equal to 0, or is stopped is stopped. I don't know exactly when this returns. If it's just like, if it hasn't played yet, is it still considered stopped at that point? I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. Okay, that works. Well, let's just see. Hopefully we can still jump. Yeah, okay. Yeah, see there, like, feels like I should have been able to jump. And I kind of like that you can manipulate your way up using the wall jumps if you're good enough. It's very slow, so it won't help your time at all, but, you know, maybe there's a situation where it'll make things go faster and somebody can get a really fast time that way. Okay. I hope the game's not too loud. I should probably test that before keep going. That's not too loud. How loud is it when a cow dies? That's pretty loud to me, but it's not too loud on stream. Even that's not very loud. Cow is very loud compared to everything else, isn't it? Anyways, it's fine. Okay. So I guess I still am gonna need a another function to handle the oh, but this still, if the thing, okay, never mind. This is not a good spot to put this. Then we just do this. So, things not touching the floor. Oh, but look. This is running still, so now we can test it. Okay. That should be fine, right? Oh, we'll find out if there's issues with that in a minute here once we get the actual thing working. Okay, let's function coyote. I guess I'll just call it handle coyote. It's probably not the best name for what's going to be in here. Handle coyote time. So, what we want, I think I'm going to need another, or I can just, hold on, do I need that still, or can I just, is already not previously forward? No, then if, I gotta get this right. Oh man, my brain is just not working today, is it? Where's the error that it's telling me I have? Oh, right here. We'll just do this for now so that doesn't bother me. If I can just put it here. If previously floored and not is on floor. Again, I guess I don't need this. I'm sure I'll write that function again and then realize that maybe I do need it. Then coyote time dot start. Oh, we need a var coyote timer equals 1.0. That's way too much. We'll do like 0.2 maybe. I probably should have called this one, well, we'll call this coyote timer. And then we'll call this one coyote time. That makes more sense. And then I need to change... Have I not done coyote time anywhere? I guess not. Okay, oh, here we go. That's, that could have been an annoying thing to realize because it wasn't throwing an error, which makes sense it wasn't. It would have as soon as I tried to run this though. Anyways, coyote time? Is this just gonna work now? I mean, like, well, let's see. Print coyote timer dot time left should be 0, and then it immediately crashes as soon as I start. Is this not how this timer works? Oh, duh. So it does start when you're in the air. The question is, why is it? I guess we want it to be a 1 start so it doesn't keep looping. Is that what the issue is? Yes. So let's see. That looked like it worked. This is this is like one of the issues with the coyote time is it's gonna be hard to tell. Or I guess what I could do is, I think it is working. It definitely feels like it is working. So what I could do is just make this like 5 seconds, and then what should happen is, yeah, see, I can jump like, but 0.2 I think is pretty good. Wow, that went smoother than I expected. Yeah, this feels way better. This feels much, much better. There's like a tiny bit of a dip when the character starts falling, and then you can still jump just after that. Oh, that makes things feel way better. Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm sorry, cow. Oh, that was the other thing I wanted to do. I'm remembering now. Well, coyote time is done, so we can get rid of that. And then, actually, let's work on this now. I guess I'll just call it like headshots. So I want there to be more damage done to the enemies if you hit them in certain parts, right? That's pretty standard. So we can do that now. Let's see. Enemies, we want our cow. I'm pretty sure it's this one. I made so many different cow enemies, as you can see. Actually, there's just 2 there, but this is the one that we're using. Okay, so what we need to do is, like, these have health. But the way, how does this work again? I forget how I set this up. Yes, so it damages body. So what I can just do is, for this script here, is I can just attach health at export damage multiplier. Kind of a long name, but it is what it is, equals, and then we'll just do 1.0. So then I can just multiply this damage amount. Ooh, but this could be an issue because I'm pretty sure the amount is, we're going to be mixing floats and floats and integers. I don't know how Godot really handles that. It's an integer. Does it just... Well, you know what? Let's just do it and see what happens. If we start getting errors, then I'll fix it. Damage multiplier. So, there's one other thing I wanted to add as well, so that when the head is not attached to the body, the enemy should die. So we can do that as well. So now I just need to find, this is the neck one here. Health damage multiplier. We'll do like, well, I'll try like 1.75 and we'll see if we get any errors this way. Oh. Okay, it seems like it's working. We can test that out here. Yeah, I thought I turned this off. Oh, that's when it gets hit. Print amount here. So let's see how much damage we're doing. So that did 5 damage, and if we shoot the head, it does 8.75. Okay, so it does work. So, I mean, let's see how big of a difference this makes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10 shots. I think they have 50 health, but if I shoot the head, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Okay, that's something we need to fix. This is another thing I can add here. So, export, kill if destroyed equals false. So what I can do for this is, if this limb gets destroyed, then we just instantly kill the... Because the way this works is these are all... Basically each one of these is the part of the body, right? So we've got the 4 legs, we've got the body, and then there's the head part. So if each one of them has a script, if I shoot it in the body script goes to the end of the thing up here. That's what this is. And it damages that. So this gets damaged. When this health reaches 0, the limb is destroyed and it falls off. And then once we've done enough damage to the enemy as a total, then the enemy dies. So what I can do is, I can just, if this is set to true, if the limb dies, I can send a signal to the enemy to just die as well. And the way that I will do that is... good question. I guess I can just do it here. Help us listen to your and can detach. Number self. Do it here. If kill if destroyed. Then we can do enemy body dot. I guess I can just do this as kind of a lazy way to do it, but damage. I can just do like 5,000 damage. And that should kill it, right? As long as I don't have any enemies with more than 5,000 health, it should be fine. It didn't work. Oh, because I didn't do that. Well, duh. So it did work how I wanted it to, which is nice. There we go, perfect. So now the enemies die when the head is destroyed. That's wonderful. Not gonna have any headless cows walking around. We will have some legless cows running around. But that's fine. Ooh. Do we have legless cows, or is it... Yeah, it does work. Good, look at that. Doesn't really make sense, but it's funny. You do a lot more damage when you hit the head, don't you? And you can push them around. That's the other thing I need to add. X's for eyes, because right now the head doesn't have any, the eyes disappear. Oh, that's the other thing. I think I took away the knockback on the shotgun, so let's add that back in. Oh god, I'm so bad at naming things. Which one's which? I think this is... I think the knockback is how far the player gets knocked back when you shoot, and I think the push force is how much push does. I think that's what the naming convention I went for is. I guess I could look at the pistol and see what the pistol is. Yeah, okay. Ooh, maybe 10's a bit much. Maybe we'll do like 5. Even that might be too much. I guess we'll find out here. Yeah, that's better. Now we can push it around with the shotgun. That's pretty good. It's not like a huge amount, but it's impactful. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to do. We need to, this doesn't look right, and we need to add, like, red spot where the head fell off, or where the limbs fall off. That was the other thing I wanted to do. I'm starting to remember what I wanted to do today. Headshots, well, that's done now. Let's make the explosion place next. And then we'll do the coin pickup effect, because those two things are fun to work on, so we'll do those. And then we'll do Dismemberment decals. Okay, perfect. Ugh, all right, let's make like an explosion area just because that'll be fun to add in. So here we go, our map editor here. Where would be a good spot to make? I guess like right here. I'm hoping. I want them to have it, or maybe I'll put it like right in the center here, so you can look down on it from these platforms. Okay, let's do that. That sounds good. We'll just do this. What do I want this to be made out of? What material? Probably just the brick is fine. That should be okay. Across, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess it doesn't really need to be a perfect square, it just needs to look. That's pretty good. Why is that not? Oh, it's Jesus. It's this one here. Silly me. How is that gonna look looking down on it? That'll be a good... Okay, yeah, so what now I can do is we'll bring this down. Like that. I don't want to bonk my head. Well, we'll try this out and see how it fits. We'll duplicate this, and then I'll make it... Ooh. Hold on, I need to make this one smaller all the way around. And then we'll take this one, and we will make it one lower. And then we select the other one, and we just do this. There we go, we got our little bowl. It's kind of good. Probably do like this, right? Oh, it's kind of a... Oh, but we can... Is that better like that, do you think? Yeah, I'll keep it how it was. Like, this is fine. Kind of small though, but that's okay. So how does this look coming in? That looks kind of fine. I guess I could do like I mean, the problem is... Oh, I guess I didn't think about this. If I fall into it, how does the player get out? I didn't think about that, did I? That's a good question. How do I fix that problem if the player jumps in? I guess I just have to, I don't want the walls to be lower. Or maybe I'll just add like a door in there. A door you can jump out or remove one of these walls. I didn't think about that. I mean, let's just start with this for now, and we'll see how this works. We can tweak it afterwards. Oops. I didn't mean to press that. I don't know what that does. So now up here, Oh, that's not even close to, oh, this is bigger than I thought it was. Oh, we can maybe even add some more. Let's add. We'll do 5 cows. 5 is a nice number. And, do this. Then... let's add another just blank node and we'll call this, like, I don't know, interactables. I don't know what else to call it, really. I don't remember. Oh my god, I keep saying this, I'm really bad at setting things up. Here we go. Default things. No, where did I put... Oh, I think I just put it in the enemies tab, didn't I? Accessories? No. X? Where would I have put an explosive barrel? Objects. It's not in objects. Means? Weapons, maybe? No? Maybe just objects? What did I even call it? I don't remember. Maybe it was in the models? Oh god, this is so bad. What? Exploding thing, explosion stuff, interact objects. How did I not see that? Interact objects, jeez, I just didn't even see that one. Of course it's in here. And we'll just throw that right here. Perfect. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's way better with Coyote time. Way better. It feels so nice now. Oh yeah, see, this is the problem jumping into here. How did this... How did you lose a leg already? How did that happen? I am confused. Oh, you know what I could do? I could make it like a cage that they're all in. So that way the player can't get in and you just have to shoot the barrel. That would be fun. Eggy's channel. Chanel. Ooh. Hello, Eggy. How are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's try this out again here. Let's not jump into the center. And why does this leg fall off? Where did the barrel go? There it is. I guess they push it around. Cool game? Well, I'm glad it looks cool. They're pushing this barrel around though. I don't know how this guy's leg's fallen off. That doesn't make any sense. I think I need to make the explosion a bit bigger. Or do I need to make this cage smaller? It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be when I made it. Oh, we're falling now. Okay, I need to think. I guess we'll just turn it into a... We'll make this a cage rather than like a bowl type thing. So let's fix that. What's the best way to do this? I mean, I guess we'll just make a bunch of bars. Like this. We can just delete? No? Delete. 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 I guess the floor can stay like that. So if we're making these bars, let's move this to here. Move it up one, and let's see if we get, what kind of material can we put on this? It'll make it look like a bar. There we go, that's pretty good already like that. Oh, it's already 0.2, perfect. That looks like a metal bar. That looks pretty good. I'll just duplicate this a couple of times. I have no idea how big the player is. I have a feeling the player is going to be able to fit through these. But, and of course it's an uneven, oh no it's not. It is an uneven amount to fit. Well, whatever, let's just, I think this is going to be, oops. This is going to be too wide for the player to begin with. We'll see which one works better. Great, it doesn't fit at all. Oh man, I didn't think this through very well. Oops, did I just make something there? I did. Ah, that's fine. And I'll just throw that there like that. Why not? Looks terrible, but it is what it is for now. I gotta do bars on the top as well. Or I wonder how could I do like a mesh or something like that. I don't know how well that translates into trench broom, like a mesh type deal. But let me just see something first before I make any more, because I'm pretty sure the player can fit through these bars. Why do I keep pressing this unwrap, dude? I keep doing that for some reason. Oh, hello, Easy. Good to see you again. I'm a dev. I wouldn't call myself that. I just like to mess around with things. But I hope you're having a good day. Yeah, I could definitely fit through these bars. Not a very good cage, is it? Also, I wish these cows would stop pushing this around. Silly cows. Alright. And we need to add like an explosion effect to that, and it needs to be bigger as well. Anyways. What do we make? Quake kind of game? Kind of. It's more like a basic idea I have right now is basically the whole goal of the game is to get to the end. But the end only opens after you've killed all the demons, which the demons are disguising themselves as cows. So once all the cows die, this opens up and you can go in and complete the level, and it's basically just like timed. And then there's some like, you know, it's more like platformy type things. You can run on walls. There's lots of secrets to find. If I can remember how I laid out my level. Still lots of things I want to fix with the level. Like I need to add like more atmosphere to it, like lights and stuff. Oh, damn it. And I'm not very good at it either, so that makes things hard. And then the coins are just, right now you just collect them. I don't know how I'm going to tie that in. I guess it's more like a achievement type thing if you can collect all the coins as well as finish the level. Ooh. And that's like got little secrets here, like oh, and there's another coin. And mostly just platformy, shooty. Anyways, I need to make a cage. This is nice movement. I'm really happy with how the movement turned out. I'm surprised by how well it turned out considering what the code for the player movement looks like. It is a disastrous mess. I should rewrite it all, but it works right now, so I don't really want to touch it right now. That'll be something way later down the line if I do want to fix that up. For now, it works and it does what I want it to do, and well, actually it does things better than I expected it to do. Okay. What is the best way to make a cage? You know what? Maybe... Does trench broom... Let's see, I'm kind of new to trench broom. Is this Skibbity Dop in Ohio? Maybe with Kai Sinat? Oh man, that's a lot of words there that I don't know. Actually, I'm aware of Skibbity Toilet. Kai Sinat, he's a streamer, right? I recognize the name. Anyways, how are you doing, CY Studios? I hope you're having a good day. Let's take a look at what trench broom offers me that I'm unaware of. Let's see here. Trench broom, great, maybe? I'll get something out with... Well, there's a reference manual. It's gonna be dangerous surfing the internet live. You never know what could pop up. What about, like, why is it called trench broom? John T. Thompson for the Gunda's trench broom. Okay, cool. There you go. I learned something new. Is this Skibbity Dop in Ohio? I don't know what that means. Skibbity Dop in Ohio? I'm not in Ohio. That's a funny comment. I don't know why that's making me laugh, but it is. Oh man, going into images. Making a dungeon type game, I guess that's kind of the aesthetic of it, but it's more like a, I'd say it's more of like a first-person platformer type of game. See how fast you can beat the level. Like a fence? Fence great? Like, is there something in trench broom that lets you do like that kind of a thing? Doors. I guess we'll just go to the reference manual and see, this wasn't what I was expecting to be working on, but it's always exciting to, find things to do. View of maps, selection, editing objects, working with textures. Is there, maybe there's like a, is there like an alpha you can add to textures? Maybe kind of a thing. Doesn't really look like it. Okay. This is a lot of info that I am never going to learn. I don't think I'm gonna find what I want in here. Nope. Maybe something down here? Special brushes. I don't know what the brushes do. I think that's just for making, like, shapes and things, but that's not really what I want. What I want is... Maybe it's better to do it in Godot. Because I also need to have it not block... bullets. What's the best way to do this in Godot? I guess it would just be... I guess the best way would be to just use a sprite. Right? I think so. I think we'll just make a sprite fence. That's the best way to do it, I think. Oops. So... let's get rid of these. This is fun. Actually, we can make this like this. Get a bit bigger. And then I can put the barrel inside of a cage as well, so the cows don't walk into it and move it around. Okay, let's do that. Now I need to find. I don't like looking up assets while I'm doing this, but got no other option. We need a chain link fence. Grate maybe? No. Fence. It's all going to be these top-down things. I could make one actually. Maybe I should just make a fence my own. I think that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to deal with my horrible art skills. Okay. This is gonna be embarrassing because I am like the worst artist in the world, but let's try to make a fence. How big do I want this to be? Not very big. We'll just do like 500 by 500. Okay. Let's see. Oops. God, what is the best way to do this? I have no idea. I don't even know where to start. I'm trying to think of a way that I can do a bunch of lines without having to just draw a bunch of lines. Oh, this is bad. I could just freehand it. Oh my god. This is why. Welcome to the art stream. Beautiful. Thanks. Is there like a sine wave? A sine wave brush or something? Oh, the other thing too is it has to be oh my god, this is so bad. It needs to be continuous on each side as well. I don't know how to do that. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm so bad at Photoshop stuff. Alright, we're going back to playing a... There must be just like a simple PNG someone's made. I'm not going to be able to draw anything. Like a fence, it's all going to be wooden fences though. Unless there's like a texture. Is there like a fence texture maybe? Maybe that would be a better spot to look for it. Oh, here we go. This is exactly what I wanted. Perfect. And it's CCO, look at that. Perfect. Everybody give a shout out to B Max 0. This is exactly what I want. Okay. Perfect. Look at that. Now I gotta figure out... Oh, I should, let's do this first. Okay, that's beautiful. That's good like that. Just put it into textures. Others. Perfect. Alright. So now we got our chain link fence. I guess it's probably... Let's make a new scene. Chain wall, I guess we'll just call it. So we'll add a sprite 3D node. And we will add a rigid body. Perfect. Box. I'll make this box. Oops. Oops. How did that happen? Make it roughly... Don't want it too thin, so I don't want things going through it, but I don't want it too thick so it doesn't feel awkward. Okay. And now our sprite, we can just throw this in there. How does that look? Ooh, that's really big, isn't it? Okay, so how do I fix this now? Pixel size. Ooh. Okay. Is that the best way to do this? Or maybe I need to put this on... Is the sprite the best way to do this? Maybe there's a better way. Oh, like billboard. No, we don't want billboard. This is what I was thinking. We want it to fix size on. So what happens if I've never done this before, I've never had a... No, that's not what we want. I want it to, Oh my god, I'm blanking on the word. We want it to, tessellate. There we go. How do I do that with, well, we can just ask Google. Tessellate 3D sprite. Maybe the best way to do it would be... Or I don't need to do a CSG because I got... Maybe we'll try it this way. Then I won't need this either. Where is it? Oh my god, I'm so bad at organizing things. Here we go. Prototype shapes. There should just be... There's fence here as well. I could use those. Nah, I'm gonna stick with this one. Ladder. Although if I use these fences, no, they're really wooden, aren't they? No, we don't want those ones. No, we can't use those fences. They're just like a wall. Yeah, here we go. It's a really thick wall. Is there... Here we go. Like a plain wall? Okay, perfect. Here we go. This should have... So now... Ooh, is it going to let me do this? Here we go. Mesh. Let's just add a material. I don't know how this is going to work. But we'll see. Oh, doesn't want the... Oh, this isn't a material because it's a... How do I... Oh, right, we need to... hold on. This is where I want a material here. Okay, so that didn't really do anything, did it? Well, there it is. Okay, so that's something. We've got we're partway there. Is that there? Okay, there we go. It's weird that it shows on this side. How do I make this double-sided now? There we go. Perfect. Wow, that was worked better than I expected. And then I can make this a bit smaller. Well, how big is this gonna look in the world, first of all, I guess? So, like, what happens if I... Okay. Kind of stretches it. I don't want it to stretch. I want it to... I think maybe I just have to do it with this guy. Let's see. Oh, it does just stretch it. I think that's what we wanted. Yeah, there it is. That's... I thought I hit that one already. Anyways, there we go. Okay. So we've got a wall here. It is a very thin wall. I don't know if that's going to be a problem in the game. I guess we'll find out. I do want it to be wall. It needs to be on wall, but it also needs to be... Here, we need to add another layer here. Oops. Here we go. Physics. We need a... What would you call it? When you can shoot through a wall but you can't walk through it. What's a simple name for that? Piercing wall, thin wall, shoot through wall. Shoot through wall. Good enough. We'll go with that. Oh. Oh, this is the visual. Oops. We want this one. It's going to be on layer, shoot through wall. It doesn't need to mask anything. I'll have to figure out how the raycasting for weapons works afterwards. What I will do though is, because I know I'm going to forget to do this later, is for our grenade. Touch trigger? Oh, that's this. Collision is what we want. Oh, it's the actual thing here. For this, we want it to mask this as well, so we don't have grenades going through the fence. I don't think that should happen. Okay. We will save this into our levels, and we'll put it in scene pieces, and then I'll forget that it's there. Now we can add this. It's kind of annoying. Like, there is a way where you can do this, like in Trench Room, where you can like have things that you place in here that Godot will recognize and put stuff there, but that's too much work. I'm not going to do that. Maybe that's something I'll learn later, but for now we'll just do the cheap way, and we'll do it like this. Any chain link stuff will just have to be done into Godot. That's pretty good, actually. It's a bit too wide, those gaps. It looks unnatural. Ooh. What? I didn't expect that. Let's do like 5. That looks pretty cool, right? How does that look in here? Okay, it kind of works. We'll see how this works in game. Level. Moving platforms. What happens if I... Okay, that does work. So we can go like this. I'll bring this in like a half step. Guess we want it all the way over to here, right? Sure, that works. Duplicate that. Go right there. Duplicate this one. Do that 90 degrees and throw it here. I think I made this a square, right? So it should line up pretty nicely. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize it was... Oh, okay, that is cool how that works. The world triplanar, I forgot about that. Really hard to see, isn't it? There's a bit of a gap. Now the corners don't really line up, do they? It's fine, it doesn't matter. Alright, look at this. This chain fence is way better than what I would have made, isn't it? Glad I didn't have to try and show off my Photoshop skills. It's not really lined up, but that's beside the point. And we'll do one more for the roof. I guess this. This is really hard to work with because it's so hard to see. I did not, one of those things I didn't really anticipate. Alright, that looks... I almost nailed the size right away. Perfect. Ooh, it doesn't line up there. Does it line up on this side? It doesn't, which means... How's that? Almost there. Good enough. Let's, ooh. How does this happen? How has that happened? Seven. Oh, that was weird. Guessing this one's like that as well then? Oh. Okay, we got a chain fence. Let's see if it works. I have no idea. Probably move the player, but it's fun to run through the level a little bit. Okay, it kind of looks pretty cool. Oh, we do fall right through it because I'm stupid. Oh, silly me. Take two. Alright. So hopefully we should be able to stand on this wall. Of course we can't. And not walk through it. But we fall through it. That is interesting. That is an interesting how has that happened? And now I'm stuck. The cows have ganged up on me and made me stop, and they've pushed me through the wall. Not a bug, it's a feature. Why can't I stand on it? That's strange. That's really weird. That shouldn't matter. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. I mean, like... Vision shape. Or, yeah. Can you not stand on planes? What am I missing here? Oh, is it 'cause This is odd. I wasn't happening here? Let's find out, I guess. I'm gonna get stuck in it as well. This is what I was afraid of. I think the solution is just gonna be to it doesn't count as a wall either. Oh, it's 'cause I know why. That just kind of makes sense. What game you been making? This game? It's kind of like a platformer, like time trial type thing. You gotta destroy all the demon cows, and then once all the cows die, the exit opens up, and then you just gotta see how fast you can do it. A lot of running, a lot of, you know, platforming stuff, wall running. Collect coins if you want. Yeah, more of a just something to work on. Ooh, I need to increase the damage on the shotgun. Anyways, now I'm struggling with my chain right now. I guess what we will do is we'll just switch this to being a box shape. Doom or Quake, yeah, pretty similar. I mean, the program I'm using to make the levels is intended to be used to make Quake and Doom levels, so that's probably where that comes from. But yeah, that is pretty accurate. Less dangerous in this game though. The enemy is time in my game. I mean, that's what it is right now. Who knows? Maybe I'll get bored and decide that I do want to make some demon AIs to come try and kill you. But that's not what it's looking like right now. Okay, we'll just... Oops. No more plane. No more planes. Planes never work out. We're gonna stick with, Oh, I'm wondering... No, that shouldn't have been the issue, right? Probably not the best way to do this. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, let's try this again. So these should all be thick now. Okay, let's cross our fingers that we don't fall through the gate. Woo, we can stand on it. Look at that. Oh my god, we can already shoot through it. I was thinking I was going to have to change some settings for the raycast, but it doesn't look like I need to. Where did the barrel go? I've never used Godot before. I actually used Unity, but I've moved to Unreal. Okay, yeah. I'd say Godot is probably closer to Unity. I haven't spent much time in Unreal at all, so I don't know too much about it. But yeah, I'm not much of an artist, so I don't really need all the super powerful super powerful graphics and stuff. I don't really need. I'm just here to make a fun little game. Are these cows pushing the barrel out of the cage? They are, the naughty cows. They're scared of it. They should be. But unknowingly, they've doomed one of their companions. Okay. Next thing that we will do is... I want them to be able to interact with physics objects, but I don't want them to push this barrel around. I want this barrel to stay right there. I guess what we can do is... we can just make a cage around it. That's what I said before, right? We'll just make a little cage around the barrel so they can't go in there and push it. Actually, I did want to test one other thing. Can I run on this wall now? No, this doesn't count as a wall you can run on. Weirdly, the gravity seems to work on it, but it doesn't give you the wall jump. Oh, I know why. It's because yeah, okay, that makes sense. I don't really want you people to be able to wall jump off the gates anyways, so that's fine like that, the way it is. Okay. And it actually does stand out more than I thought it was going to. I was a little worried that it was going to be hard to see, but it's pretty clear that that's a gate that you can't go through. And it does look like you can kind of maybe shoot through it. Okay, perfect. I guess we'll just... oh god, this is really bad to do it like this, but whatever. No, we're doing it this way. Oop. Oop. It's not going to be high enough? It's not. So we'll just do like 3.5 for that. That works. Now what I am going to need to do... Actually, if this is part of this, it should work with the navigation region. It should be fine. 0... That's fine like that, I guess. Oh. What just happened there? It's really hard working with these fences, isn't it, to know when they're placed properly and when they aren't. It's so hard to tell. Nice 7. And they're all the same. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if it's lined up, if it's seamlessly lined up. I don't think the player's ever going to be close enough to be able to really tell, honestly, that it's a little funky. And this one's almost perfectly already in place. Look at that. Magic. Okay. And we'll put this guy right here. And then we'll leave that. And what we're going to do is we're going to cross our fingers and we're going to hope that the navigation region sees it. Doesn't. Why doesn't it? It should, right? Because it should be considered a wall. Actually, it's not working it here either. It's not working for these ones either. Oh, navigation layers. Oh, no, that's fine. We want that. Filters, details, polygons, edges. No, none of these are helping. Do you ever plan to release this game? Yeah, I'll probably, what my plan is when I get this level done and when I get like the bare minimum working, I'll throw it up on my itch page and then people can play it, and then like, I don't know, maybe I'll make I don't have plans to make more levels. This is kind of just something I do for fun, but you know, maybe if people like it, then I'll make more levels for them to play. As far as like releasing it on Steam, like a paid version or anything, Maybe, but that would be like, I'd have to put in a lot more work than what this is. That would be much further away. For now, it's just release one little thing for itch and yeah. Move on to something else probably. Again, unless it turns out that people really enjoy it and want more, then maybe I'll work harder on it, make more levels, maybe release a paid version, but that's not really the intention as of right now. Anyways, I need to figure out why is this? Oh, it's because it's not part of the... There we go, that's better. That's what we like to see. Now our cows are confined. I still have a feeling that they're going to be pushing it around with their heads and stuff, but we'll see. Are they all going to the same spot? I guess that was just a coincidence that they all turned the same way. Well, they get stuck at each other a lot, don't they? I think there's a thing that I can do where they try and avoid each other, but again, the navigation region thing is not something that I'm particularly well versed in. They do kind of all clump together, don't they? It should be random, but I think it's because they're getting stuck in each other that's happening. They get stuck and then can't move, and then they end up in the same area. Anyways. Oh, that's funny. Perfect. That's wonderful. It's like exactly what I wanted. We just need to add like an explosion effect. And does the chain link fence get the decals spread onto them? It doesn't really look like it, which is fine. That was kind of something I was worried about, that it was going to look really weird with blood going on the fence, but it doesn't look like it does. Okay, perfect. Next thing that I wanted to do, just quickly fix this, just in case, is... Oh, let's go in there. What's the scale for the shockwave or the area 3D? Let's make this a bit bigger. This might cause problems. Should be fine. Let's do like 1.5. How much bigger is that? That should be good. Let's see, we'll wait till they're all the way at the edge. Okay, pretty much gets them all. And then even if it doesn't, you can still shoot through and finish off whoever's ever in there. Okay, perfect. Ooh, something's going on over there. Funky physics. That's Godot physics for you. Okay, that works pretty well. Oh, I guess it's kind of strange that everything like flies through the fence, doesn't it? I didn't realize that. Why do they go through the fence? Oh, I know why. I can fix that. Well, it's going to be a little tedious to fix, but it's fine. We don't need this one. Here we go. That's one down. Oops. Two down. I'm not sure of its potential, but the blood was on the other side of the floor on that platform you spawned next to. Yeah, the blood decals are kind of a little buggy right now. I'm not too worried about it, but they will. I think they print like on both sides of the wall. I'm guessing that's the issue you were looking at. It's something I need to like redo how the blood decals work. But again, and like the blood effects and everything, they're just like kind of placeholders right now. I want to completely change them. For now, they were just kind of there to test things, see how it worked. And the way like I'm doing the blood decals is like the worst way ever as well, right? Like I'm shooting like a what is it? I'm shooting like a raycast out in a direction, and if it hits anything, then it puts a decal there. I don't know if there's a better way to do it. There probably is. There's probably like anyways, it's it's a mess. But it's just a test. Oh, there's only like one shape for all the blood decals as well. They're all the same like PNG. There we go. So like this prints on the bottom, yeah, like that. And they print funky there as well. Decals are something I haven't really figured out how to work them properly yet. And even if it stays like that, it's not really that big of a deal. Honestly, I'm not too worried about it. That's really loud, I can probably fix. Oh, that's... Anyways, we got our little cage working there though. That's good. Okay. Let's cross that off of our list. Explosion place, done. Now let's make a coin pickup effect. Why not? But first thing I wanted to do is fix this sound. It's minus 20 and it's already like really loud. Huh. Maximum sound level in decibels. Let's do like -5 is the max. Unit size? Which one of these is there not like one that gives me like a I mean linear distance is fine, but it's really quiet when it's far away and it's really loud when it's close. Oh, that's not bad actually. That's fine. Okay, that's better. It was just the max loudness. How far away do you hear them? God, I need to change that sound effect as well. Okay, yeah, you can hear that. Okay. That's fine. Anyways, what was next on the list? Oh yeah, the coin pickup effect. I guess we'll just make like a particle effect. Coin pickup effect. Ooh. Look at that spelling. Okay. GPU particles. Here we go. What's it telling is the problem? No meshes, it's fine. It's been a while since I've done a 3D particle effect. I think what we want is probably just like a sphere. So I should just have like a sphere in here, right? Alphabet. How's the alphabet work? Sphere 1. Ooh, nice low poly sphere. More polygons and even more polygons. I think the first one's fine. Oh, that's the material. Oops. We want, how do I want to do this? Drawing. No. Skin? I don't remember how I added this. No meshes have been assigned to the draw phases. Yeah, didn't I go in here? Where's the draw phase? Drawing. Oh, this is a... not a mesh. That's... oh no, it is a mesh. material in the... Oh, I can just do it here. Duh. Don't need to add in those, Oh, actually, this is probably, more efficient as well than throwing in a whole mesh. Okay, lifetime, I don't know, like 5 seconds. One shot, yes. That's fine. Ooh, we can do collision. That works. Drawing trails. Where's amount? I don't know, like 25? Bidding. They just sit there. We want explosiveness up to like 0.9 explosiveness, so they all shoot out at once. Randomness. Just leave that. Isn't there no, how does this... Don't need a sub-emitter, we want... How did I do this on my last one? Hold on. I learnt this not too long ago, and then I completely forgotten. With this? Yeah. How do I do it here? Process material. Oh, you make a physics. Okay, yeah, okay. Jesus, I'm dumb. There it is. This is what I was looking for. Spawn, velocity, direction. We want it to shoot up. 45 spread, that's fine. Ooh, it's really wide. That's fine. Okay, that's vaguely working. Initial velocity minimum. You have a really nice and calming voice. Thank you. You know, it's funny how often people come in here and say that. It's more frequently than I would have ever imagined. So that's wonderful to hear. I'm glad, because, you know, I think like everybody, I don't like my own voice when I listen to it, but it's nice that it's nice and calming, which I guess fits with most of the stuff I do. I'm not a very loud or expressive, I guess, streamer. You're not going to hear me yelling about things very often. It's much more calm, cozy streams that I do. So I guess that works out with the kind of voice that I have. There we go. That's pretty cool. I don't know how big that's gonna be. I have no sense of scale right now. Also explosiveness. I guess we can just make this one. Shoot them all out at once. Boom. What would 0.95 sound like? Look like? Hello, please. Can you fire your balls? What's going on? Why has it stopped working? There it goes. That was weird. Okay, that's cool. That works. This is the collision box, right? I think I need to make... Well, let me just test something quickly first. Should make a particles thing. I should put the other ones in there as well. Throw that into there. Hopefully that doesn't break anything. Okay, how does this, I can also bring our player back to the beat. Oh god, that's way too far. Beginning of the level. Right there is fine. Let's just see what this looks like. Is it like really small? Is that what just happened? Actually, you know what? Let's this is going to be annoying. Let's just make this root. I don't need to do this. Coin pick up. Fact. Oh my god, put that twice. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. It's pretty big. It is really big. Okay, so we can make this bits. We can make these guys smaller. Radius 0.01. It's like a line. Height. Weird. What? How does it do that? Height and radius. That's not how I would have expected these to be. Why would those be two separate things, and why is it... This is really weird. Why would the height... the full height of the sphere... So I guess you can make different shapes, but I just want it to be a sphere, which is... We also probably don't need this many segments. We could probably go down to like 12 and 8. Okay. It's almost too explosive now. Yeah, they shoot out way too far. So... let's fix that. Let's do like 1 and the maximum is like 2. I want it to go a bit further than that. Maybe like 2 to 5. I wish there was a better way to reset. Okay, that's pretty good, I think. That's okay, it's still kind of... the things are still kind of big, aren't they? Radius, let's go to like 0.05, 0.1. It's a bit better. Let's just do like 50, that's more fun. And we'll just put this to 1. Hello? There we go. Now how did I get the collisions working before? I did this once before. With the collisions. Layers. Walls. This is the visual layer. Where's the collision layer? That's right, this is how this works. Height field collision. Does this? I think this is how you do it, like this, right? It'll just be walls. I think this is what makes it collide with the environment. Maybe not. Anything happen? Okay. Maybe that's not it. Oh. Oops. let's don't save any of that. Oops, that's the okay. We're editing the wrong thing here. That's what's going on. I think this is how. Can make this bigger. Doesn't really matter. Does it work in the game though? I'll have to test this off the screen here. Bear with me. Doesn't work. Let's see. I did this once before and now I can't remember. It's one of these nodes that makes it collide with stuff. Is it the height field? Is it this one? I always grab that. Is this the one? Again, not working in there. No, it's not that one. We'll find it eventually. I probably could have just looked it up or looked at my other project, but maybe it's just this. Maybe? No, it's not. Oh, that's why. Hold on. Now let's try it. No. I swear this is all I had to do before. Let's take a look here. Godot. Okay, how does this work? So no need for a Jupyter project that prevents the call mask from working properly and go far without to make documentation as soon as it's just fixed. Oh. Sphere collision. Yeah, it's not, this is the one, right? Add. Static cannot be changed at runtime. So do I need to add this to... Hold on, let me see something then. I mean, what if I just add this box? Where's the box? box. There you are. Come over here. Oh, look at that. So I just add this box here. This should stop particles from falling on it, right? No. Why? Why? Is that not? Hold on. What am I missing? What am I did this before and it wasn't, I didn't have any problems with it. We'd love to help you actually suck at coding. Yeah, this is more, I'm just trying to figure out what node I need to put in. Because before it was like I just added a single node and then the particle collisions were working. But I know I'm missing something. Person collides with the collision node only if it has at least one of the system visible layers attached. Okay. Is that something that I'm missing? I mean, I'll just put a box for now. Oops. Bad things, errors with the runner. I know it's very easy to miss something so simple. Oh, hello, Irina. I'm doing all right. How are you? You're just in time for another problem that probably has a very easy solution. Coding is the thing that either breaks, it works or it breaks everything. Yep, that is exactly how coding goes. One little tiny error can doom you. I mean, should I just do this? This is just visual layer though, but this is a call mask, so it should just be on everything. Best time on our stream. I know, this is the, yeah, you were here for the button again. This is the button all over. Well, this isn't as bad as the button, because this doesn't really matter, honestly. It's just a cool, it would be nice to have, because I did it before in one of my other projects. I mean, I don't know why it's not. Driving me crazy. What's going on? Okay, what does the thing say? Call mask properly controls which particle systems are affected by a collision node based on each system's. We did figure out the button, so we'll figure this out. Particle system collides with the collision node only if at least one of the systems visible enabled in the collider's call mask. Yeah, so they're all on by default. What's the issue? Oh, is it literally just not working right now? Is that what the issue is? baked mask. What? So I'm wondering if it is just not working in Godot 4, and that maybe the last time I did something was in Godot 3.8 or whatever, and that's why it was working. That could be the issue, but I also feel like I'm not quite doing things right. Field? How does this work? No. Oh my god, is this because I've been... Oh, all that testing might have been... Oh, that was dumb of me. No, it's still not working. So basically, the particles are supposed to, like, bounce off of the walls and stuff, rather than just fall right through them. That's what's supposed to happen. Like, they're just falling through the floor, but they should be... I want them to collide with the ground, but they're just not doing that at the moment. And I've done it before. Let me check something. How do I... Hold on, I'm not actually going away, I just need to check something. So this one is... Hold on, is this the right project? Okay, it's working here. I guess I can show this. So this is the other thing I was doing when I was just... This is when I was just learning the 3D in Godot. And this one, see how they like bounce off the thing? So it is working in this version of Godot. So what am I doing in this, what am I doing in here? That's where that makes it work. Explode. Particle collision. Height field. Hull mask. Collision, layers. Control C, Control V, yeah. That might be, but it's just, yeah, it's just a height field. Hold on. It is just a height field. Okay, well. Give this a go. Huh? Oh, right, I gotta click on the other one. There we go. It's just a height field. What's going on? I'm losing my mind. Why does this height field look different? Collision height field. Hold on. Collision height field, yeah. Okay, well, maybe I'll just try it this way then. We'll do this. Just cut that. Like that. Why does this one... I'm so confused. The height field in this one shows up with like a box. The height field in the other one isn't anything. What am I missing? What is happening? It even works in... Oh, okay, so this one has a box as well. Why does the box not show up? Am I just not zoomed out far enough? No. It just doesn't exist in here for some reason. I have no idea. It's the exact same. Okay, what we're gonna do is we'll get rid of these for now. We'll not worry about the collision. We'll just get it working the other way for now. Ooh, although... let's see, how are we gonna do this? Like, I don't get why it doesn't... Okay, I'll just do it this way. This is kind of a cheater way to do it, but I just can't be bothered. We'll just do 10 seconds. That's fine. One shot. Okay. Let me get some water. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is is that not right? Can I drag these in here? Staple down, that doesn't help. This is a terrible way to do this, but... Why is it not showing me the things? Anyways. Okay. There's that. Then it should queue free. Yeah. Like if this is all the visible, it should turn everything off. Actually, I could probably just go like this, and then this will make the it's redundant. Okay. Then we will add our particle effect. Down here, because why not? It's pretty pathetic, isn't it? We don't need 50. Why is it so... Looks fine in here, but once we bring it into here, why is it so... Oh, is it because... Oh, it's because the scale's gone way down. That's why. That's okay. Again, it's so strange. This works. Don't really get it. Ugh. 25, 25, 25, because why not? Looks completely different. Huh. Come on. Kind of, why is it so different? Scale really messes with things, doesn't it? Well, whatever. I spell emitting right? Of course I did. Int. Why did I do that? 2 M's instead of 2 T's. Alright, well let's just see what happens here. Oh. That was strange. Oh, that's okay. There we go, hopefully. Okay, it still doesn't work. Why? What's different? I don't... It's the exact same as the other one. I don't understand. Unless... Hold on. Unless I'm just being really dumb. Did I have to... No, I didn't. It's just a regular collision thing. I didn't have to add anything to it, it just worked. Oops. Wait, was it? It's particles. That's that one. Did I have to add... Wait. No. It's just this. Why is it like that in here? 5 meters by 5 meters. It just doesn't show up for some... Oh, is it because I have something turned off? No? What did I do before? Everything's identical. Full mask. This is annoying, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh, is that the answer? Oh. Oh no. This is the answer here, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god, I hate myself. Well, let's not get mad at myself yet. Let's see if this works now. Okay, it definitely is working. think it was like it was definitely doing something different. But why is this like, do I want it like this then maybe? Oh my god. Oh god, what a stupid answer. I knew it was going to be something dumb like that, and it was. Oh god. That's annoying. That's really annoying. But it's fixed now, so whatever. That's... Oh my god. That's... It's always something so stupid that... Okay, well, there we go. Problem solved. Now I can mess around with it. This? No? Oh, I have to go in here to do it. Let's make these like 0.75 bouncy, friction 0.5, I guess. And we don't need to get a directional. Sure. That's a bit much. I can't believe that. Okay. It's like a green color these things are, aren't they? We'll make it like a dark. We can do like a brighter green. Hard to tell. They're kind of green. Let's color curves, hue variation, color curves, color ramp. Or yeah, really bright to really to darker, I guess. That's kind of fine like that. No, that's not what I want. A little bit darker. Okay. How does this work now? Why do they all float that way? That's weird. What's going on there? What did I do? Directional, none. Not very, not very, interactive, are they? Velocity. Let's do like 5 to 7. Is that gonna make it a bit better? Why don't they bounce very much? I made them super bouncy. Friction, maybe go to 0. Use scale, yes. There we go. Yes, it is working. You went to go get food. Yeah, it's working now. I was being dumb, and of course it was something super simple. This was set to disabled. I just had to enable collision. Like, it's literally like, oh my god. It's like, what am I doing? So why does that work like that? That's not how I thought that worked. Oh, we don't want this to be on a layer, right? Maybe that's the issue? No, we do want that to be on a layer. Huh, how does this... I still go through the walls. What if I make this a... Can I just disable that? Not really. Size 25, 15, 25. Well, that didn't work. Thickness? I thought this was supposed to... This isn't working how I thought it did. Okay. It's on the floor, it's just they're not bouncing off walls. Maybe I never had them bouncing off walls before. Yeah, I could have sworn I did though. It was always below them, it was never on the side of them, was it? Anyways, what other things do we have? Texture. Huh. Anyways. But the other one's working. What's going on? I'm trying to think. Hold on. What this coin is this one gonna be? I have no idea. Coin 4. Let me test something here. Put this coin right here and see how this works now. Oh, that was awkward. What was that? Maybe what if I get this one? Okay. Oops. Why do they bounce like that? That's weird. Not bouncing off the walls, just the ground. Like the only other thing I could do, but this is probably like a horrible. So I turned like this whole, all of these collisions into anyways, it's kind of fine for what it is right now. So let's just make the effect kind of cool. Sub-emitter? No, we don't need a sub-emitter. Hold on, let's bring this coin back. Coin number 4. Where's coin number 4? There you are. Go back to your home in the little cubby hole there, please. Oh, damn it. Would be nice to have things bouncing off the walls. I guess I could, like, it's so much work to do that, and there's probably an easier way, so I'm not gonna bother. Lifetime randomness, we'll do like, yeah, sure, that's fine. Color. Was the color not showing up? How do I get the color to show up? Initial color ramp? Variation 0. Make it green. Sure, I could emit. I don't know if I have emissions turned on. That's something. They're very bouncy, aren't they? Let's maybe turn the bounce down a little bit. Wish they would, what's flatness mean? Spread along the y-axis. Spread, we can do like 55, 7 to like 10 maybe. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think I can also do this. Did I do this before? Oh, that's the sun. I want the world environment. Jeez. Hello, it's enabled. I have a note premise from a movie, and my linguistics. Linguistic is bad. I cannot write a movie script. Oh god, I rated a movie script. That sounds, I hope you're not, here for my help, because, words are not my friend. That's for sure. Let's just make the bloom, like, Ooh. 1.7. Does Hollywood look better? Yeah. It's like, oh, I want these particles to glow. They're not glowing very much, are they? Oh, they are a little bit. I guess if I turn this down even more, maybe they'll glow even more. Not really. I'll just put that to 8. Why not? Go big or go home. That didn't change much. Maybe we need more bloom. Everybody loves bloom. Why are they not like glowing like crazy? They should be, no? Oh, this is why. We'll do like 8. Thought I turned that up. Still no, eh? Oh, there we go, that's cool. Can we get like a green? Well, that didn't do much. Ah, that's cool. That's better. That's more what I was looking for. How fun is that? Pink. Kind of wish they were like edgier though. There we go, pointy circles. You can't even really tell because there's so much glow on them. I love it. Probably tune that down a little bit. Oh no, it's all it's down. It's going to be this here. Let's do like 4. There we go. Guess I'll need like a sound effect for that. I did get some sound effects here. Let's see if any of them maybe these will work. Not that one. Maybe that one? That's a bit much though. What other ones do we have? That's way too much. Yeah, none of those ones. Maybe something simple like in here. There, but that's not bad. Maybe that one. What's this one? How's that one sound? That one sounds pretty good. Okay. Sound effects, the thing that I am terrible at doing. Sounds, oh my god, there's so many actually already in here, isn't there? I don't think any of those will work. We'll just put this one in. What kind of file is this? Wave is fine. We'll call this, can I rename this? No, I can rename it here. Get, or maybe I'll just call it collect. Okay. Then we can put this in here. Audio stream player 3D. Nah, we don't need the 3D player. Just do this. Put that in there. Don't want it to be too loud. I can always change the pitch too, which might be cool. It's fine. And then we'll just do this. Audio stream player dot play. All right, let's see how this sounds now. Cool. Bit of a stuttering when the particles go. I wonder what do I need to do to fix that. Ooh. Oh, it disables it though, so how does it... That doesn't make any sense. Oh, I know what's going on. This is, it's going to give me an error for that as well, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's right. You got to do this. Oops. Call deferred disabled true. That should stop any errors coming up. Hopefully fix any issues as well. It's not for some reason. Why does that not? Method not found. Is that right? Oh, that was right. What's this one error we're getting? Whatever. I can ignore that. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. It's weird. Why does it do that sometimes? Oh well, for the most part it's working. Okay. It's something. It's kind of weird that the light kind of seeps through some of the walls. It's not the most... It's kind of... Oh, it's kind of dark though as well. I don't know if I'm going to have the game this dark. Oh, you can make it back there. Look at that, you can go all the way around there. This is great. Oh. Okay. We got a bit of a particle effect. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's something. That's all you can ask for, right? Something. Weird how the particles work. It seems like there's some kind of culling going on that they don't... Kinda don't want it to do that. Yeah, we got some particles going. The collision isn't working exactly how I was hoping it would, but it's something. And I wanted to see if... there was a way to, let me check something. Whatever. Like when I turn around... Yeah, it's like they don't, they stop, like they get culled, so it gets paused when it's off screen. It's just a little weird sometimes. It can just look a little strange. Like that one there, for example, when you're going really fast, you grab that, then you turn around and then they fall. They don't fall unless it's on your screen, which I guess is intended for performance and stuff, but it's not like... The yellow box. Oh, is that what that is? Is that what this is here? If you're out of this, it doesn't... Oh, okay. It's the visual thing, I see. Thank you, you know what you're doing. That's what that one is. Okay. Always wondered what this box was for. The visibility thing, you forget what it is. If it's not on screen, the particles will pause. Yeah, it's not. It doesn't make it very clear that that's what it is, so I'd always wondered. I assumed it was something to that effect, or it was like, yeah, just make it really big. Shouldn't matter. Like, there's nothing in here that... Visibility range, oh. Is that what this is? Oh, I don't know. Anyways, it's fine. It's under drawing, okay. Is it? Oh, there it is, here we go. Okay. That's fine. It's probably an awkward spot, but it doesn't matter that much. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I just wish I could get them colliding with the walls. And I could, it would just be like a ton of tedious work with the only solution that I can see. Because for some reason... Like, I thought this worked differently than it does. I guess what I could do is... I'd have like more than one of these. I could do it like this. Again, I don't know how much performance I lose doing this. Let's see what that does. Yeah. Very strange. Oh. That would be why. That should work better. Or it won't work at all. One of those two things is gonna happen. It's not. It's like right under it. No? Who knows? What? Oh, that is gone now. Now it works. Oh. Not 100% sure what's going on there. That is... I guess you can only have one? Why would that be? This is called a height field, but... that's really weird. Acts very strangely, doesn't it? Well, whatever. That's so weird. I wonder if it has to do with... oh. Did I not? It's still very small. Why is that? Oops. Oh, what did I do? Oh, how did that get there? Oops. Oh no. I just ruined my whole setup on my other monitor. That was a mistake. There we go, back to normal. It acts very strangely, doesn't it? Follow camera. How do they have no idea what's going on there. Anyway, it's fine. Some amount of functionality there. What else did I have to do that I wanted to do today? Oh god, this. Oh, this one's gonna be annoying. Because I don't know what the best way to do it is. Like, what happens? How does this work when the thing rotates? When a cow rotates? Okay, it does stick onto it. Okay, well, that kind of works how I was hoping it would. That's good. Here we go. Nope. Nope. Okay. So that should... This is going to be a real hack way that I do this. So what happens when I get rid of that? It does just... Yeah, the blood effect is... Oh! What's going on with the audio as well? Is that my headphones again? Hold on. Plug them in and plug them out, or take them out, unplug and plug them back in. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. And the audio issues are gone as well. So does it still, it doesn't have the cal on it anymore. Where did it go? Disappear on the one there. Why does it no, it didn't disappear. It does once it goes into ragdoll mode. For some reason, doesn't follow ragdoll. Why is that? Why would that be? Why would that be? Maybe we're not going to do this today because I think I'm doing this. There's probably a better way to do this. But I can't think of one. You can't just... Oh, that's cool. Didn't expect that. was very strange. Oh, very weird. Materials is not something that I'm particularly good with. Don't know what those do, so we'll just ignore that. So that's for surface 1, 2, 3, I see. I see how that works. White, black, pink. Surprised the decal didn't. Put it on this. That better. I mean, we'll just test this and see. No, it still doesn't. Weird. What about... I put it attached to this. There we go, that's what we want. That's better. Oh, this is a terrible blood effect, isn't it? I have a feeling that it's... Is it? Hold on, I'm gonna fix that as well. It doesn't need collision. Okay, so that's how we can get those decals on there. Going into the program that I am most famous for being incredible at, GIMP. New. We'll do like, let's say, 128 maybe, by 128. Or should I do like half that? 64 by 64 maybe? No, we'll do this. This is fine. Oh, can I not zoom in? Oh, there we go. God, it's like I've never used this program before. There should be paintbrush or airbrush. Paintbrush, airbrush, paintbrush. Oh, that's pretty perfect. There we go. I'll just make this a bit smaller. Bigger. 103. Let's do like 120. Oop. That's pretty good. I'll just make that red. Nice bright red. I can do like that, I guess. That's pretty cool. Then what we can do is we can make this like 50. We can make this darker. It's already looking gross, isn't it? Perfect. then we can make this even smaller, like 15. And we'll make it sort of faded, I guess, and we'll make it white for the bone. How does that look? Does that look like a bone? What color is a bone? I guess it's maybe more gray, isn't it? Not quite like bright white, like a bit darker. Oh, and bones aren't circular either, are they? Jeez. They're more, a bit of shape to them. Maybe we'll just go back to this thing. That's too much. Oh, that's a bit better. I look like a bone in a thing. We'll give it a go, why not? Oops. Export, I'll just put it into my pictures. We'll call it bone decal, I guess. We'll see. It's not perfect, but it's a start. Where is there you? There you are. Decal, front left leg. Big, isn't it? That's fine. I can make it a bit smaller. 0.3 maybe. Let's do like 0.4. That's fine like that. And then what we can do is in here, just decals, dismember decals. Ooh. Now the question is, how do I get the right one to show at the right time? It's the easiest way to do that. Putting it in here, I guess. Probably easier to put it in here. That's what we're gonna do. Oops. Far. Decal. Decal. Maybe just no 3D, maybe that's better. Self this decal dot is all equals true. Let's see if it works. What's this one? This like here, right? Oh, stop turning. It does, look at that. Looks terrible, but it works. I still don't know why the decal goes on the ground like this with the cow. Still don't know why that happens. There we go, he's got like a missing arm. Can move it over a little bit. Doesn't look very good, but it's a start. It is something. Oh my god. He rolls around with his bone out. Oh, it looks terrible. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's kind of like, is it sliding around? Oh, it does go into the ground and stuff, doesn't it? We can fix that. Layer. Enemies mask. Enemies. That should work better. No. Still goes onto the ground, that's weird. Why does it do that? Maybe if I take it off a layer. Oh, am I... No, this is the right. Oh, I'm dumb. I thought I had this selected. Oops. Call mask. Sure. Okay, hopefully I didn't break anything with what I changed by mistake. There we go. That's pretty good. There we go, that's better. Kind of stretches a little bit, eh? That's okay, it's only because there's a bit... Ooh. Oh, right. If this decal oops, that's a bad habit. Does look a bit wonky, but that's okay. Wonky's like my middle name at this point. Right leg. I'll just do 90 there, I guess. Probably make this one better too then, eh? Oh, this doesn't really matter. Minus 20, that looks alright. That looks alright. Duplicate. Back right leg. Oop, we'll just plop that right here, maybe? Might need to go up a bit more, like maybe there. rotate that one. Back, left leg. Up a little more. I have no idea where those ones are going to go. Okay, so this is front, up leg right. What's this one? Back, leg right. There's this one. Front up leg, which we did, and back up leg. Oh. Back up leg. Left, back up leg right. Oh, did I do them all? Oh, right leg. Front up. Leg right. Back leg right. Back leg right. Oh, front leg. Front leg, yeah. Oh, I missed this one. Back leg left. There we go. I need one for the head as well. This one's going to be hard to get right, isn't it? I guess what I could do is make sure it fits like on the forehead like this, and then just move it back to like here. Move it up to like right there, and hope that that works. We'll see. I don't think that's going to look very good, but we gotta test it out, right? Head. Alright, let's see how this looks. Okay, we gotta fix those back legs. The front ones are kind of fine. Does the head look not good at all? Front legs are, I guess, as good as they're gonna be. It looks really bad, but I kind of like it, honestly. It's kind of fun. Actually, the back legs aren't even that bad, really. I could probably rotate them so that it kind of doesn't look like it's smearing too much. Oops. Well, that doesn't matter. Set a 90 like that. That should be fine. That'll go. And how is the head this bad? Let's see. That's a bit better for the head. How's the back legs look? Ooh. Still not great, but it's not awful. Again, a little bit of jank is okay. I can fix the head though a bit. Head needs to be better. I don't know how to fix it though. It is proving difficult. Do we just do it like this? It's like not even attached anymore. Needs to go up. Hold on, maybe I can do this. Oh. Oh. Didn't like that. Uh-oh. 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 Don't save. He didn't like that at all, did he? Hopefully I didn't completely break that. Those eyes took forever to do properly. Okay. Well, how long have we been going? Almost 3.5 hours, probably end soon. Not lots done. Oh, about to sneeze, but I didn't. Okay, it's a little more. Well, I think we just need to maybe go back further, like here. Is that gonna be better? There we go, that's a bit better. Closer to what I was looking for at the very least. Up a bit. That's something, I guess. Need to maybe rotate it. Like that. That'd be better. Nope, it will not. Unless... Ooh, let's go down. Like right here. Close. I'll just have to live with how it is, I think. I need to fix that coin. Oh, that's strange. Did it not? Huh. Weird. Been a massacre in here. Okay. Anyways, what else did I have on my list? I think we're just about done though. Remembered it, decals, coin, oh, X is for eyes, oh. Oh, I should do that. I keep saying I'm gonna do that, but I haven't. Okay. That'll be the first thing I do next time, maybe. Next time. Anyways, let's see how long it takes me to actually finish this level, get all the coins, and kill all the cows. Ooh. see how fast I can do this. I'm gonna guess like a couple minutes. Gonna get all the coins as well. Good timing on the platform. Ooh. Horse is freaking out. Oh, damn it. Oh, he's still up there as well. Come on. Come over to this side. Oh my god, I'm so bad at aiming. There we go, got him. Probably make the pistol more accurate. I need to fix the crosshair as well. Okay, you. There's a coin down here. Then we can go up. Get the ones up top this way. Be careful not to fall. There we go. 7 enemies left, really? Where are they gonna be? Oh, actually, yeah, I haven't gone to the maze place yet, so that does make sense. I'll need to find better sound effects for the cow dying. Maybe I'll do some voice acting and moo myself. We'll see. Ah, 2 right next to each other. How lucky is that? Gotta get this coin. 2 coins left. Oh, we've got all the enemies. Okay. But there's 2 coins left. You'd think I'd know where they were. Got that one. What coins did I miss? Oh, I know. Oh my god, actually there's one. Oh crap. I've fallen down. There's one up there, and then I know where the last one is. And you'd think I'd be better at knowing my own game. Boom, how long did that take? 240 seconds. How many minutes is that? 240 divided by 60. It's like 4 minutes. Wow. It's longer than I thought it would take. But yeah, I'm sure you could get this down to like half of what I did. Maybe even lower. Anyways. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm pretty tired. I got most of what I wanted to do done. Yeah, I still need to do that. Sound effects is like the next big thing. And then I'll probably do all the menus and stuff. Probably won't do that on stream because that's really tedious and boring stuff. But anyways, yeah, I can't really think, like, I don't really like this area as it is. Like, the top part jumping around is good. The down part here is kind of cool, a bit of a maze. It's just this, like, down here that's kind of boring. Maybe I'll add some platforms or something that you can jump across. I have no idea. I mean, I could even like get rid of this floor, or I could get rid of parts of this floor, and you'll have to like jump from like here over to here to get to this section and things, or you can jump down that way. Yeah, I gotta do something else with this room is all. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Again, I get so much more done when I stream this game. Well, when I stream this game, when I stream development, it forces me to do things. Anyways, I wanted to check one last thing. How does the cage look? It looks pretty good when you stare like at it, and even when you're moving, like you can see that it's there. It's turned out way better than I thought it was gonna look, honestly. Huh. That's good. Anyways. Need to do some explosion effects as well. This barrel's pretty boring the way it is right now. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. A lot of new people tuned in today as well. I doubt they're still here, but if you are, I hope you have a wonderful night, morning, and or evening as always. Yeah, there was a lot of new people that showed up, and a lot in chat, and a lot of old faces as well. It was a cool day. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful night, morning, and or evening. I already said that. And as always, take care and goodbye.